When you look at all of our products that we regulate, they all have a label attached to them that's going to show you a guaranteed analysis. So our lab is ensuring that all of those manufacturers are meeting those guarantees, and then the consumer has the confidence that what they are purchasing meets the guarantees that are on those labels. We got an inspection staff of nine individuals, and they're throughout the state taking samples of feed, seed, fertilizer, milk samples. They come to our lab for analysis. So that's where we're testing, protein, fat, and fiber for feeds, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium for fertilizers, and purity for seed. Our primary charge is consumer protection, mainly for feed, seed, fertilizer. Those are our mandated programs. And then we also have service programs for soils analysis as well as seed analysis. We always enjoy getting those samples in, testing those for them, especially if it's a one-on-one situation, to know exactly what are their issues, and then through our analysis be able to give them an answer as to how they can improve their crop yields through soil analysis. That's what we're looking for. So there's always new innovations, for seed. There's always new varieties coming on. We're going to have to adapt to what the industry is putting out there for sale.